Hey everyone, so this would just be a very quick unboxing of an open box from Best Buy Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Had my eyes on this since they came out. This one was just shy of 380 bucks. Open box, excellent condition. Which as of right now, today when I bought it, they were on sale for $420. They've been on sale for 400 bucks, but $420. This one again, just shy of 380 open box. So saving a decent amount of money. Normally these are 500. So yeah, this should be a pretty quick unboxing. I already cut the tape open. They really had it taped up, 4 different spots. This is the lighter colored one. There's black, and then there's this one. I believe there's more stuff up here, like hopefully the charger. Alright, so that took me a moment. So we have terms and conditions that I just threw on the ground, quick start guide, and then you have, of course, the cool looking charger, wireless, not really wireless, but wireless charger. I guess wireless charger, right? Wireless charger. That was in this long box. There's 2 different ends to it. Yeah, open up both ends. Took me a moment to realize that. So let's look at what this open box excellent condition gets you. Way it looks, at least mine. Of course, yours could vary if you get yourself an open box. So this is medium large band. Yeah, I really do like this color. I actually like this over the black. Usually I just buy black watches. Kind of like my Garmin. It's got that blackishy color. But yeah. So there is some wear on the, we'll call that the buckle. You guys can hopefully see that alright. Bit of wear there. Otherwise, of course, there's some minor fingerprints and some dust. The back looks very good. Again, it's just a bit of dust. Buttons look very good. The cable looks like it wasn't even really used. I mean, I'm sure they charged it up like once without undoing it or something. That's probably what I'm going to do. Make sure I actually like this watch. But yeah, it looks very nice. There it is next to my Garmin Fenix 6X. So it's a good size watch, which I really like. So yeah, like I said, just a very, very quick unboxing. Alright, you guys let me know what you think. Open box can save you some money. Just sometimes you do get weird things with them. So just, of course, you gotta inspect stuff once you buy them. So, alright guys, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. See you all next time. Goodbye.